Everyone, it's Robin, Artists on the Crafts, and welcome to my studio. We are working on an Advent series this year, and I'm sorry, I was just eating some more of these Warheads. The orange ones are amazingly orange, and they taste very orangey, like an actual orange, not like Kool-Aid orange. I was surprised. But that's not what we're here for today. We're here to see... Good thing my friend sends fabric and not breakables. Advent Day number 19. What is in this package? It's fabric. We know she's been sending me reds and greens. So is it a striped? Is it the hard sought out after green and white stripe? Look at me. Good thing it's fabric. Again, I've dropped it and I've squished it. I've tried this every year. Some people just like, I've seen my kids do it. They just kind of like, but either I'm weak, yes, and my kids are strong, yes, or my friend does such an amazing job at wrapping things that it's a little hard to open it. And no, she did do a great job. She did a great job. It is not the green stripe, but it is something that I absolutely love. If you've been with me for a while, you know a lot of the times on my projects, the backgrounds or the inside of my zipper pouches, I like to get a big amount of white on white fabric. I tend to just buy like 5 yards at a time. I run through it and then I go to another white on white. This time it is snowflakes. Snowflakes is one of my favorite things when it comes to winter. I love snowmen. I love snowflakes. I loved cutting out paper snowflakes. I love snowflakes. I loved watching them come down. I loved drawing snowflakes and cutting out paper snowflakes and hanging them in the window. This is a great collection. I can use this now during the winter. And if there's anything left, I can put it away for next year. I can also use this in my Christmas star quilt that I'm doing with my patrons next year. The nice bright white will go nicely against the red and green. Thank you so much, my friend. Let's see what I sent you. Merry Happy Advent Day 19, my friend. I'm sorry, but you're not going to be glowing today. I think that was the end of our glowing for this Advent series. But you do have some fun, sharp pins to use. Some more fabric. And from Missouri Star, I still think these are 2022. These are Fabric Bolt 3 removable labels. I think by now most of us have seen every, what was in the Advent from 2022 from Missouri Star. I am a little curious if what's going to be in the 2023 one. They do seem to improve each year as they find their rhythm and see what everyone enjoys getting. I imagine someone is watching the videos to see if people like it or don't like it. So I hope you like it. Oh, that was so sweet and kind of me. Too bad I don't remember what it is, and I will find out when I watch this video just like you guys. I'll see you tomorrow at 7 p.m. and we're going to do it all over again.